sweeties! Today we have got some new topics. Look, clothes, seasons and fruits. Look, these are fruits, clothes and also seasons. As we learned, in winter season the weather is snowy, so we have to wear coat and hat and also gloves. So in winter we have these kinds of fruits, apples and oranges. There is another season which leaves are falling down. Pomegranates are growing. So in this season we can wear this kind of shirt, which is fall season. We have two other seasons, spring and summer. In spring, the weather is sometimes cloudy and sometimes rainy. And also we have this kind of fruit, grapes. Also we can wear this kind of clothes, which is t-shirt. In summer, the weather is hot and it is sunny. So we have this yummy fruit, watermelon. So we can wear this kind of clothes, dress.